Hello dear colleagues and friends, welcome to BST YouTube channel. It is Denis Romanov, head of International Sales Department. Today we are located at the Russian cottage. It is located about 30 kilometers from the city of Chelyabinsk, where our office and factory are located. And we arrived here in order to drill a real water borehole. And of course we are going to do it with a drilling rig produced by BST company. So we arrange such real-life drillings for our customers regularly each year, so that the customers which are located in Africa and other continents of the world could understand how our equipment operates in the field, and so that they could assess the real performance of these drilling rigs without the need of traveling to Russia. So today we are going to test our bestseller GBU 24L, which is equipped with a petrol engine. It is very compact, very mobile and portable drilling rig, and it can reach not even such big area which you can see right here, but even such remote places, and it is a big advantage of this drilling machine. Today we will be drilling the water borehole of 30 meters with a diameter of 215 millimeters. So dear friends, this drilling rig is very efficient, very durable, and this task was completed in about 2 or 3 hours of drilling time. So in this video you will be able to watch the complete process from A till Z, from the moment when we started drilling and pouring water to our water pit till the moment of installation of casing pipes. The complete process will be accompanied by my explanations. So watch this video from beginning till the end in order to get the full understanding of the drilling process with BST drilling rigs. And we wish you good orders with BST company. Thank you and enjoy watching the video. We continue the series of educational videos, and we are happy to inform you that today we are going to present the real-life drilling with our bestseller drilling rig GBU 24L. I would like to say that such videos are very useful because we will cover the real drilling process from A till Z and explain all necessary stages which you will need to complete when you receive BST drilling rigs and you will start the drilling process. Because of course we understand that most of you did not have any experience before with the drilling, and you need to understand how it happens in the real site, in the real world. And for this purpose we are happy to share this very useful information just from the drilling site. So stay tuned, and we will be grateful and really happy to share this important information and this very useful video with you. So the drilling process includes several stages, and today I will describe operation of GBU 24L by stages. Stage number 1, which you can observe already on the video, is called delivery of the drilling rig and preparation for drilling. Number 1, you need to deliver the drilling rig on site. It can be a light vehicle, a truck, a lorry, because this rig is very convenient, it's very light. The maximum weight can be 1000 or 1100 kilograms, so even the light car can deliver this drilling rig to the drilling site. Then you will need to level the drilling rig on the ground. It is necessary to make sure that the drilling rig is installed horizontally, because when you start drilling, you will need to make sure that the drilling pipe goes down straight vertically without any inclinations. All right. To do this, the drilling rig has 4 mechanical screw jacks. So you use these mechanical screw jacks and align, level the drilling rig on the ground. Also, as you could see in the video, you can anchor the drilling rig on the side to prevent it from moving. And it's the function number 1 of the anchoring. So there are special holes in the foot of the drilling rig. And function number 2 for the anchoring is to make sure that you have more power to pull down. So your drilling rig will not go up when you start drilling, and you will have more power to drill down, to pull down the pipes. This is very important. Also, right now you can observe how the operator is preparing the trench for the water, because today we will describe the mud drilling. What is mud drilling? Mud drilling is when you perform drilling using water. All right. As you can see, there is a water pit, and it will be shown in detail a little bit later. And in order to perform the drilling process, we will be using water. All right. So the water will be circulating from the water pit. Then it will be pumped by the motor pump to the drilling rig and flushed back to the water pit. Now you can observe the water pit which has been prepared in advance. You will also need to prepare the water pit. It can have the size like 2 or 3 meters in each direction, like length 2 or 3 meters, width 2 or 3 meters, and the height also 2 or 3 meters. So this is the requirements for the water pit, and of course you will need to provide water to fill the water pit with water. Also, you can see on the left the bags with the bentonite. So we know that in this area we will need to use bentonite. Bentonite is a chemical which is used to drill if you know that you will have unstable formations, unstable walls which may collapse. And bentonite helps you to make them hard and to prevent the borehole from collapsing. It is very important. Now let us focus on the motor pump. You can see the motor pump on the right. Before you start running the motor pump, you will need to fill it with water. It is the compulsory condition, so it does not fail. And you connect the hoses. So there are 2 hoses. The one hose which is 75 millimeters, it goes to the water pit and it sucks water, and another hose which is a suction and pressure hose, it is connected from the motor pump to the drilling rig, and the purpose is to deliver water from the motor pump to the drilling rig, and then the motor pump delivers water under pressure and you start the drilling process. So preparation is finished and we begin the drilling process. It's stage number 2, which is called drilling. So now you can see that you use the 3-blade bit. In this case we use the 3-blade bit, which is normally used for soft formations. And what you need to understand, what you need to determine before you start drilling, what kind of formations you have in your area. All right. In this specific case, the soil consists of sand, clay loam, clay, and silt, meaning that these formations are not very hard, they are soft or average. So because of this, we select the 3-blade bit, which is normally used for such types of formations, soft formations. By the way, all these tools are included in the package from BST when you buy a drilling rig from our company. Now, dear friends, please pay attention. We increase the drilling rig string by adding more pipes. So every time when you drill, you add additional pipe. And now you can observe how this process happens in the reality. The length of one pipe is 1.5 meter. For example, if you buy GBU 24L with a normal depth of 100 meters, so you divide 100 meters by 1.5 and you get, as a result, 66 pipes. 66 pipes, 1.5 meter each, are included in your scope of supply. And now just pay attention that you need to drill down the pipe not only one time, but you need to drill it several times in order to be sure that you break the water borehole, the formations, clearly and enough, sufficiently, so that no soil, no formations is left there, because if you leave some formations, some soil, and continue drilling very fast, so your water borehole may collapse, or your pipes may get stuck and you will lose all of your pipes. And now you can observe the process how to add another pipe. Okay, you have seen it, that we use the professional drilling table and the drilling wrench. Or the drilling fork. So these auxiliaries and accessories are included in the scope of supply, which will be provided by BST company in the package that you can see. When you add the pipe, you will need to stop the motor pump. You shut down the motor pump, unscrew the pipe, which you can see right here, using the drilling wrench or using the drilling fork, because all of the tools will be included. Then you remove the pipe. You remove the pipe, as you can see right here, and you can add another pipe, or you can just start the process of lifting the pipes. So everything is similar. So in order to drill one pipe, which is 1.5 meter length, normally it is required 2.5 minutes for GBU 24L. So it is the standard speed of drilling for such model. For example, if you buy a portable rig, GBU 15LP, the average speed of drilling of one pipe will be 3.5 minutes. So based on these details, you may calculate how quick you will be able to complete a water borehole, because many customers are asking how quick they can drill a water borehole. But please pay attention that it is a pure drilling time without any extra handling operations. So now you can see that we have lifted all the pipes already, because they have reached the aquifer in this case. And now, so the next stage will be started. And also, when you drill, you just observe the color of the mud which is going out, you have seen, and so the different color means that you are reaching different formations. In this specific case, so they have reached the hard rock, and they know that at the depth of 30 meters there is hard rock, and for this case they stopped drilling, and now there is the third stage, which is called calibration drilling. A few seconds before you have seen the calibration bit, and right now we begin the calibration process. So what is the purpose of calibration? The purpose of calibration is to level the walls of the borehole, because when you drill with a 3-blade bit or with a PDC bit, it is obvious that the walls of the borehole are not very even. There are small particles, some foreign particles, which are included in the walls, and they will be an obstacle when you insert the PVC pipe. So you need to remove them. You need to remove them using the calibration bit. Also, dear friends, when the drilling is happening, you need to take care of the supply of water. You need to replenish the supply of water in the water pit, because it will be constantly going to the water borehole. So you need to be sure that there is some supply of water, some river, lake nearby from which you can take water and bring it to the drilling site. Or if you do not have any reservoirs with water, natural reservoirs, you need to bring some plastic containers. So now you can see that the water borehole is drilled and already calibrated, and now we move to the next step, which is called preparation of PVC pipes. Number one, you need to prepare the mud flow filter. Now you can see how the operator is making the holes in the PVC pipe, and by doing this he is creating the so-called mud flow filter. It will be used to just to take water, to supply water from the necessary aquifer. And once it's completed, we just start lowering the PVC pipes. As you can see, the PVC pipe, they have the thread, and you connect one PVC pipe with another PVC pipe using this thread. And to help with connecting, you can use the chain wrench, or you can use the hinged wrench. Also, I would like to mention that the drilling of this water borehole was completed using the three-blade bit with a diameter of 200 millimeters. Exactly the same diameter will be supplied to you when you receive your drilling rig. So if you have any other requirements, we can make the drilling bit bigger or smaller. So now you can observe how the PVC pipes are connected with each other using the chain wrench or the hinged wrench. You can use either wrench which you like more. And the diameter of the casing pipe, which is used specifically in this case, is 125 millimeters. In Russia, when we drill, normally we drill with a diameter of 200 millimeters or 165, and diameter of the casing pipe can be 125 millimeters or 159 millimeters. So now we are moving to the next stage, number 5, which is called flushing of borehole. Now you can see that a cap was installed on the top of the PVC pipes, and now the operators are supplying clean water to the PVC drilling string. Why are they doing it? In order to flush the water borehole. So they are connecting the hoses to the motor pump, and under the pressure the clean water is supplied to the PVC pipes in order to flush out all of the dirt from the borehole. And once it's completed, we move to stage number 6, where we fill the water borehole with gravel. So as I already explained to you, the diameter of the water borehole itself is 200 millimeters, and diameter of the PVC pipe is 125 millimeters. So we have enough space in order to fill it with the gravel, in order to fix the PVC pipe in the borehole. In this specific case, we use the gravel with a mesh size 2.8 and 3.10. Also, when you do filling of the water borehole with gravel, you need to calculate the necessary amount of gravel in advance. So once it's completed, you prepare the submersible pump. So the submersible pump is necessary in order to get water from the borehole, and you need to select the submersible pump of the necessary capacity depending on the depth of your water borehole, and you just lower the submersible pump using the wire rope and the electrical cable. The flow rate of this water borehole is approximately 1 cubic meters per hour. So this flow rate is more than enough in order to provide the normal house with the water. Even after some time, this flow rate can be increased, but even such flow rate will be fully enough for a normal household. So normally when customers ask, so what will be the diameter of your PVC pipe, we say that 125 millimeters will be absolutely enough. So if we convert to inches, it will be approximately so 125, it's approximately, yes, you will convert this amount to inches. So then you will need to flush your borehole for some period of time. In this case, the flushing took place approximately for 1 week. So after 1 week, you may be sure that you get normal water. And in this specific case, the water is used for household needs.